How to play games in Messenger with friends. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Messenger. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Messenger and search for it. Once app appears, at the right corner of it, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once completion of update process, launch the app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the chat section. Now open the conversation with the friend with whom you want to play the game. After you open the conversation, at the bottom left corner you can find this plus icon. Click on it. Now over here you will find this icon of games. Click on it. And with that you're gonna find tons of games. Go ahead and select any of the game that you wanna play. Just click on it. Now click on play on Facebook. And with that game will start. Now you can go ahead and play with your friend. By applying the same process, you can play game with other friends as well. So this is how you can easily play games in Messenger with friends. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.